welcome back. This is Shivani and today I am trying a charcoal face mask from Mama Earth. So I'm going to try this mask today, and this is basically a C3 face mask, which is charcoal, coffee and clay mask, and we're gonna know how does this product go by. But before that, guys, if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, then you really need to do by clicking on the subscribe button, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated every time I post a video. And now let's cruise into today's video. Well, here is the face mask that I am going to try. So this one is from Mama Earth, and I've already reviewed a product from Mama Earth which was a hair mask. So if you have not viewed that, you can actually go on the link above and watch that video. But before that, let me talk a little about Mama Earth once again. This product is chemical free and it is natural and it's plastic positive. That is, the brand recycles more plastic than it actually produces. Therefore, every time you buy a product from Mama Earth, you are going to add something back to the mother nature. So yeah, and now let's dive straight into it. How to apply this product. Now these are the steps to use the face mask. First, you're going to wash your face with a sulfate-free face wash, that is whichever face wash you're using, and then you are supposed to dab your face dry and apply a generous layer of the face mask on your face. Now talking about the face mask, this is a C3 face mask, that is, it contains charcoal, coffee and clay. And the mask promises to brighten and tighten your skin, and it will also reduce acne and pimples. Now, the other point of using this face mask is that it is not at all allergic, so no matter how sensitive your skin is, you're not going to develop any kind of allergy or something. It's going to suit your skin type, and then it is made of natural ingredients. Now after you're done with applying the face mask, you're supposed to keep it for 15 minutes as I told you earlier, and then you have to use a scrub if you want to, or otherwise just massage it and wash it off. So this is the entire process of using this face mask. Now the overall experience after applying the product was that it does work onto your pores. The dirt and gunk which resides especially on your T-zone, I felt like that was gone, and I didn't have that pores, that clogging because of the commute I do or the dust and dirt which is out there in the environment. So it does work onto your skin, and I felt my skin was really supple and smooth after I applied the mask. So overall, I had a good experience with the mask, and I would like to recommend this mask to you guys as well. So let me talk about the price as well. So it's going to cost you rupees 600, but actually we are running a coupon code by the name Simply20. Avail this coupon code and you will be able to get 20% off. Also, the products are available on Amazon and Nykaa besides the brand's website. So go check out, guys, and buy this product and have a fresh summery skin. And that's all for today, and I love you guys, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy.